Pati my sister. She's my ate. Hello, ate. Kumusta, ate? So, okay. Let's just move our... And thanks for my sponsor, for my coffee today. Ay, nag-join ka. Thank you, tangina, pag-ibig. Palta mo na yung pangalan mo. Ano ba yan? The joke lang. Do what you want. Okay? Just accept merong consequences lahat. Meron ding pangalan niya. Kill me. Okay lang. But it's up to you. Okay. Grizzly Love. Nag-join ka din. Yun, naka-record naman kayo. Okay, so what do I have today?